Tara.
I'm Natalie.
And this is Natalie and Tara Try Stuff.
Yes, it is.
So today, we are doing a video adventure. You've seen those videos on Facebook and on YouTube. The BuzzFeed things were like, 6 awesome hacks for the this. You can make a sock into a bag.
For this.
The point is, you've seen the videos, you know what we're talking about, and today we're going to tackle one of them.
We found one about a year ago. Actually, it came out in January of this year, from Blossom, which now has 62 million views.
So many
on
people
the YouTube
are taking a sweater and cutting it in half.
It is winter clothing hacks, and we're gonna try them out because I looked at this and I'm like, yeah, not gonna work, not gonna look good, not wearable. There's a million things about it that are not gonna work.
Not gonna look good on this frame. I've got this and this and this and...
Well, that's actually what I think is gonna be interesting about this video is that we have very different frames. So maybe if one works on you, it won't work on me, but
yeah, I could see that. Let's go destroy some things.
The first one on here is she's taking this cowl neck sweater and she doesn't like it, but she's going to make it into a dress. Let's
cool.
try it.
We're gonna try that.
We're gonna make a dress.
Cool.
We both got our sweaters, our cowl neck sweaters. She came out of her shirt like this.
All right, cool. To the top.
So then this part's becoming a top, and then you need to tie this around your neck. So you have to cut a hole in it.
Cut a hole here.
Okay. So I'm just gonna tie that in a knot.
Just tied all my hair into it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut myself out of this.
Yeah. Okay, that's up. I'm gonna magically remove my shirt.
You wanna do this? Yeah, do that.
No. I'm short. Now what's happening here? Like, mine's really way too low. Look at where mine is.
Right in the right place
So
for you.
maybe I can fold that up. No, that's hideous. Don't ever fold. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna tie it in the back.
Okay. Yeah, this bow is beautiful. I can already feel how great it is.
Extra
It's a
material. Oh my
great
god.
bow.
Let me bow you. How did she make the sleeves are not long enough for you to make it?
It's not.
How small is her waist?
How small are you?
That's not enough. Look at all this. See my pretty dress, guys?
Cool. I is ready for date night. I mean, like, it did work. I'll say that. It did work. I would never wear this out of my house, though.
Oh, this is just spraying now.
It's just, I can feel it falling apart.
What's this extra? What's this extra right here?
There's so many weird bumps and lumps in
It's
the sweater.
it's my Donald Duck. And my,
Oh, it is!
What evil they spelled, little booty.
I'm going to say this
All right.
one did not
No.
work. X mark right there.
No.
Did not work. Moving on.
Next thing. So we have a frumpy cardigan. And I'm going to take it off and I'm going to turn it back.
Cool.
And, oh,
I'm going to
okay.
take a bracelet.
Bangles, bobbles. Ooh, she's naked. When she get naked? Hold on. That was magic.
I've got my, okay,
This
and
is
then I
fashionable.
pull up my sleeve and I take off my bangle.
Put my shirt through my bangle.
Okay, through the bangle.
No. Pull it. Woo, that's tight. I mean, I can barely get this one right here. I mean, this is for them skinny gals. Oh, look. Okay, I can pull mine down.
Ooh, I feel like I'm in Grease Lightning and like they have the really tight sweaters and their boobs.
But this is the problem here.
I'm
First of all,
choking.
this is wrong. But then secondly, like every sweater has a tag sewn in here.
You got the like, you see this little, there's a little.
Can I
where
fold
they've
that
sewn
under?
The tag in
No.
there.
Oh. If I was in like a pinch.
What pinch are you in?
This is weird. You have the buttons and stuff. You gotta tuck that under. You gotta have a friend who's gonna babysit your buttons and stuff all night. That's just weird.
Wait.
That's just weird.
But how do we look? Are we good? Is it pretty? Is it good? Yes.
Okay.
All right. Next thing.
Another
Okay.
cardigan. Okay. So I got the cardigan on. Yep. Gonna take it and I'm going to wrap it all the way around my body.
Cool. Hold on.
get
Hold
a
on. Ready
cardigan.
for it? It's pretty good, right?
All right. So we got a cardigan. Hey.
I'm wearing a cardigan.
I got a cardigan. She did fancy. She was like here and then here.
This?
And then she took the pieces.
Okay.
I don't know why we did that first part because it doesn't seem to make any sense.
I need like a giant cardigan. If you're a size 0, these are brilliant ideas. If you are a normal size person, you'll look like me right now.
I got a lot of extra room here. I think maybe we should have switched. I got a lot of room. She went like full. She did this. Like, oh, now I feel like I'm
Okay,
in Greece.
I'll hide this.
Now I definitely feel Greece. This is, you better shape up. 'Cause I need a man. Ta-da! Moving on.
What are we looking at now?
Cool. All right, this one is a boot hack. You're gonna take a pair of black heels and a pair of long black socks, and you're going to make some boots.
Cool.
Wait, what dresses on?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna kill these. This is sad.
Okay. So then I put these.
Over your heel. But see, now there's a toe on the front of my shoe. That's hideous.
The little seam line.
The toe line, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now you take the scissors and you cut this part off. And then you cut here too. Yeah, that's gonna be great. That's gonna look so cool. Uh-oh. Which shoe is this? I can't tell now. I think it's this one. How am I getting in here? I was thinking this might be cool because then my shoe will actually...
I just need to show this experience right here. This shoe flopping around.
Oh my god, and now yours
so
is coming through on the pad.
Oh no, it is.
We're gonna have to angle this down. We're gonna have to angle
Yeah.
this. We're gonna have to do an angly thing. Do you see this?
Cool.
Do you see this?
Super cool.
Now, the only thing I will say about this is probably a genius move for Halloween costumes when you do cosplay.
Yes.
Boots.
Yes.
Like, just, hey, look, now you got whatever color boot you needed for that cartoon character, that superhero. But
rest
don't
of it.
do this part. Just put a patch on there.
Oh yeah, just put a
Put a
little
patch on
moleskin
because
patch on it.
right, what's gonna happen right now is this is gonna come up like this. And now I got this thing happening here. I don't know if you can see this. This is the most ridiculous thing that's ever happened. Yeah, guys, no.
We're gonna next thing.
Okay, she's chilly. Got a scarf, right? Put on your scarf. Wait, what are you, around your waist? No, you don't wear scarves as shirts.
Let's see. All right, I go around my waist.
Twice. All right, we're in. Now you want to take one of these,
Okay.
spread it out. I got frills. I got frills. They're multiplying.
Oh my god, it's a theme. All right.
I can't do this.
This isn't okay.
Would you let me walk around like this?
I would let you because my questioning it would get me murdered.
I'm murdered.
Murdered.
I'd be like, I saw it on the YouTube. I wouldn't let you walk out of the house like this.
Thank you. This is okay. Different scarf. Different scarves.
I can't do this one twice. I barely.
I barely got it over.
Okay.
Nope. I got one.
Oh,
Here's my outfit. I don't have enough material for the next time.
I'm gonna do it.
Is this cool, guys? Is it cool?
All right.
This is a less than flattering look. So I'm gonna change.
Okay. Next thing. Big old wrappy scarf thingy around your waist, and shoulder, and then you put a belt on, and then you have a hideous dress. All right. Let's see. This is a square. I don't think that's quite right. No, it's not quite right. Let's just double it over. I'm just gonna go like that.
Cool. And
it needs to
now
be
I'm
longer.
putting this around myself.
Okay, guys. This is my.
You get this much arms, and then you start pulling. So don't get anything high off the shelf. This is really cute on me. Is that your in look? Give yourself like a. That actually looks really cute. You look very piratey.
Like bustle?
Yes, that's
put
amazing.
some
That's
bustle.
actually a great pirate bustle costume piece. Okay, that's the real hack you need to know. Is for your
Ren-faring.
Your
pirate
Ren-faring.
Bustling.
Yes. That's it
going
right
here?
there. Cool. I'm so glad that we destroyed so much clothing
For
fashion
hacks that you did not hack.
It all seems really great in concept, but then when you actually chop a sweater up, you realize that it unravels. So we're glad to have ruined our clothing so that you don't have to.
Guys, there's one that's all hacks with making shirts out of leggings. So if you want us to do that one, let us know.
Oh my god. Yeah, if you see any of these crazy hack videos out there and
Send
you want to
them
know
our
if they
way.
work, send them over. We want to try them out, see if they work. This is really uncomfortable. Cool.
Okay.
I think we just go because I'm my brain's melting. I'm Tara.
I'm Natalie.
And this was Natalie and Tara Try Stuff. Don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends how stupid we are, and like this video and comment and
all the things.
All
it's too hot. This belt is too hot.
I'm done with this whole thing.